How do I buy crypto from Newton? Intro. Hey there, you have a friend who's always talking about crypto. They're making a killing, and you're starting to wonder what all the fuss is about. You've heard of Newton, but you're not sure how to get started. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're going to break down how to buy crypto from Newton, step by step. Hook. Ever wondered if you could turn a few bucks into a fortune overnight? Well, crypto might be the answer. But before you dive headfirst into the world of digital currencies, let's make sure you know the basics. And what better place to start than Newton? Context. Newton is a popular Canadian cryptocurrency platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of digital assets. It's known for its user-friendly interface and competitive fees. So, if you're ready to take the plunge, let's get started. Step 1. Create an account. The first thing you need to do is create a Newton account. It's a simple process that involves providing some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Once you've verified your account, you're ready to start trading. Step 2. Fund your account. Before you can buy crypto, you need to fund your Newton account. You can do this by linking your bank account or using a credit card. The process is quick and easy, and your funds should be available almost immediately. Step 3. Choose your crypto. Newton offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to more niche options like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Take some time to research different coins and decide which ones you want to invest in. Remember, it's important to diversify your portfolio. Step 4. Place your order. Once you've chosen your crypto, it's time to place your order. Newton offers a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to buy and sell coins. You can choose to buy a specific amount of crypto or invest a certain amount of money. Step 5. Secure your crypto. After you've purchased your crypto, it's important to keep it safe. Newton offers secure cold storage for your coins, but you may also want to consider using a hardware wallet for added protection. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when buying crypto from Newton. Start small. It's a good idea to start with a small investment and gradually increase your holdings as you become more comfortable with crypto. Do your research. Before investing in any crypto, make sure you understand the risks and rewards. Be patient. The crypto market can be volatile, so it's important to be patient and avoid making impulsive decisions. Consider fees. Newton charges fees for buying and selling crypto. Make sure you understand the fees before making a trade. Conclusion. Buying crypto from Newton is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few minutes. However, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing your money. With a little knowledge and patience, you can start building your crypto portfolio and potentially earn a significant return on your investment. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions about buying crypto from Newton, feel free to leave a comment below.